Sawadika. Hi everyone. Today let's make Thai traditional dessert. This is called Gluay Buad Chee, which is basically bananas poached in coconut milk. This dessert is best served warm and it's very tasty and not difficult to make at all. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have bananas. These are called Saba bananas. Plain water, coconut cream, sugar, pandan leaves, salt, and palm sugar. In Thai, they are called Gluay Buad and they are cultivated bananas. They are traditionally used for this recipe. Your bananas should be barely ripe or just ripe. We start by cutting off both ends. After we're done rinsing them, we need to add a pinch of salt to boiling water and cook them for 7 to 10 minutes or until the banana skin have loosened from the flesh. Then, drop them in cold water to stop the cooking process. The main goal here is to cut one banana into 4 pieces. We are done prepping the bananas. Set this aside and now let's work on our coconut sauce. Add in equal ratio of thick coconut cream and water. Then turn on your heat. We use low to medium heat. One important thing to note is never let your coconut cream boil. Followed by sugar, palm sugar, which is optional, and salt. Crunching your pandan leaves beforehand allows better fragrant infusion. Stir until they dissolve, then add in your banana pieces and bring this to a gentle simmer. When it is gently simmering like this, bubbles will form at the side. You can then add in your additional thick coconut cream and combine them. Last final step is to give this a taste test and it's ready to be served. This Thai dessert is best served hot or warm. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.